How to fix 72 hours restriction while deleting Snapchat account. First of all, open the setting app on your phone. Go to VPN. Check the VPN status, connected or not connected. Toggle switch on on. It's a VPN connected. It might confuse Snapchat, make it think that your account is being accused from an unfamiliar location, which raises security concern. So if you have a VPN on, turn it off. And another option is to switch your internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to your mobile data, or additionally you try to connect from a location where you frequently use Snapchat, such as your home office or regular coffee shop. If you have tried this status and it still does not work, and go back your settings and then go to General, tap on iPhone storage, drop down and select search bar. Search for Snapchat, click on it. You will see a two option, upload app or delete app. You can tap upload app and again. This will remove all the cache bug and glacier. You can also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. So after that you can also try reinstalling Snapchat. This process often carry out any cache or bugs, and it downloads a fresh copy of the app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.